All right, what I have here is a 6258 jump starter. You no longer need the cables going from one vehicle to the other to jump start your vehicle. It's pretty cool, the technology they have nowadays. You just plug this guy into your battery and it tells you whether it needs to be jumped, whether you have a bad battery. So it's very, very handy. So let's open it up and let's see what we got going on here, okay? You have the module right here that plugs into the chargers. Nice little carrying case. Voila. And you have some nice instructions to help you out. And then a cable right here that goes from a USB to a USB-C. All right. This right here can also charge your devices that need to be the USB charged or the USB-C charged, okay? Because if you're out there in the wilderness, you don't have any phone battery, you got trouble with your car, stuff like that, this is going to come in very handy. So let's see how it works out with the phone. All right, I'm going to plug this bad boy in here. Oh, let's see right here. I'm sure this phone needs to be charged. Turn it on, and we are charging. Okay, well, let's plug it up to my battery over here and get this thing started. Okay, so the module plugs in, and it can only go in one direction, okay? So we got it plugged in like that. You're gonna hook your red to your positive, black to your negative post. All right, I wanna start up, see if it's gonna work. So if you need a protection whenever you're out there on the road and you need the peace of mind, get this right here, and this is going to help you out in those sticky situations whenever you don't have any power for your vehicle.